how it says or whatever. That's
It's
cute.
pretty close. We're talking about this
pajamas?
movie right here.
No, these are my pajamas.
Feel how soft.
Okay, feel? No, so soft.
Them pajamas?
They're jammies, baby. Here, okay.
Papa, can you feel these?
Oh,
So soft.
They're princess jammies.
you're gonna be Scooby-Doo, aren't you?
Hey, look at your pants.
I have
Pants.
I have almost.
And this is your
these
shirt.
And this is your princess.
They are soft.
Here's your shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Are they so soft?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just soft.
And
Oh,
I knew
here
that
comes
was
the
coming.
clothes.
Signs of here,
Here.
it really hurts.
Arms up.
Aw. Zip it
I knew
up.
that was coming. Ready? Ready for a soft belly?
And soft
Come here.
legs.
Arms up. Arms up. Arms up first. Arms up. Is it so soft?
Now she wants
Oh, they
soft legs.
fit right on her, don't they?
Yeah.
Here. Okay.
Glad I
come
didn't go
on.
any smaller.
Wait. Let me help you. There you go. There you go. I'm just putting your feet through so you don't get stuck. Okay, stand up. Pull them up. Yeah.
Well, at least these match.
Sit down. Put your piggies on. You're so soft. Sit down.
Let's see,
You
Haley.
don't even need piggies now.
You're
You got
beautiful. Turn around.
Wow.
so pretty.
Show Grandma.
Show Grandma your princesses.
Let's see, baby.
Get your hand out of your pants. Look, show Grandma your princesses. You want your piggies?
Haley.
Hello.
Haley.
What are you looking? Oh, here you go. What? No, we're not gonna change 6 times. You keep those on.